Right, so it's language time, language test today. So you are taking test 14. Make sure that you put your name and date at the top. So I have both your name and date to keep track of when you took the test. And let's look at each section. I just want to talk it through with you, and then you're going to take it. And I know you're going to do awesome on it. You're just going to really be good detectives. Remember, take your time, follow those instructions very carefully. So the first section is simply adjectives. Write the correct adjective in the blank for each comparison. So these are comparison adjectives, and I gave you some of those quizzes to kind of practice those. So hopefully you thought those through. Plus you did that yesterday on your page. So that hopefully will be helpful, knowing what you're comparing and how to compare properly. Section 2 is adverbs. Underline the verb or verb phrase in each sentence. Circle the adverbs and draw a small arrow from each adverb to the verb it describes. So remember, the underlining, the circling, the arrow, all of those are points. So please do every part of that. Then the next section is sentences. Write the kind of sentence using the bold adverb. So this is what I told you. This is why we have to know everything for language, because you have to remember what are, declarative or imperative, and then making a good sentence with those. So think carefully. Then the next section is diagramming. You are diagramming. The first thing you're going to do, though, is draw a line between the subject and predicate parts of each sentence. Direction number two, underline the verb twice and the subject once. Remember, like we've been doing on our pages. Number 3, circle the adverb and draw a small arrow from each adverb to the verb it describes. So we're not finding adjectives, just adverbs. So read that carefully, okay? And then number 4, diagram the subject, verb, and adverb. So we're not doing adjectives for that one, for the diagramming. We're only doing subject, verb, and adverb, okay? So that's it. It's just those 2 pages, and I want you to be working carefully. Think carefully for each section. I know that you know how to do these because you've been practicing and we've gone over them. So think carefully and work hard and do well. This should be hopefully an easy test. Make sure that you are doing all of those parts, though, for that 4th section. I think it's section 4. Yeah, that 4th section of diagramming. Follow each of those directions that it has there, so you'll make sure you've got those down, okay? So think carefully. Make me proud. I know you can do it. And I'm rooting for you, counting on you to do your very best, okay? Make me proud. All right, see you soon.